Car batteries ensure dependable engine starts, power essential electronics, and maintain consistent vehicle performance in all weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best car battery that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mighty Max battery, this 12V70A AGM battery delivers impressive starting power with a robust 710 cca, ensuring quick, reliable ignition in both extreme heat and cold. Its 120-minute reserve capacity stands out, providing extended runtime and supporting vehicle electronics even during demanding conditions. The sealed, spill-proof AGM design eliminates maintenance worries while offering excellent high discharge output and strong deep cycle recovery, keeping power consistent when it matters most. Built with rugged internal construction, the battery resists shock, vibration, and harsh environments, making it ideal for daily driving and tougher applications alike. Safety and quality are reinforced through ISO-certified manufacturing and CE compliance, giving added confidence in long-term reliability. Flexible mounting options, except upside down, make installation easy across various vehicles. With well-defined polarity and a practical size, this battery combines durability, safety, and dependable performance in one solid package. Now our second product is Optima battery. This 12-volt battery delivers strong, dependable performance with an impressive 800 cold cranking amps, ensuring confident starts even in harsh weather. Its compact size and manageable 38.8-pound weight make installation straightforward, while dual SA and GM posts add compatibility across a wide range of vehicles. The 100-minute reserve capacity supports consistent power delivery and faster recharging, keeping essential systems running smoothly. What truly sets this battery apart is its advanced spiral cell technology, built with 99.99 pure lead to provide higher power output and more efficient energy flow than traditional flat-plate designs. This results in quicker starts and stable performance under demanding conditions. Designed for longevity, it is up to 15 times more resistant to vibration and offers as much as 3 times the lifespan of standard flooded batteries. Completely maintenance-free, it's an excellent choice for drivers seeking reliability, durability, and everyday convenience. Our third product is ACT-Delco battery. ACT-Delco silver parts, previously known to some as ACT-Delco Advantage, continue to deliver the same trusted performance under an updated name. Designed as an economical solution, these components strike an excellent balance between affordability and dependable quality, making them ideal for routine maintenance and everyday repairs. Backed by ACT-Delco's long-standing reputation, silver parts are manufactured to meet consistent standards that ensure reliable fit and function without unnecessary cost. While especially suited for General Motors vehicles, their broad compatibility also makes them a practical choice for most makes and models on the road today. This versatility allows drivers and technicians alike to rely on a single brand for multiple applications. Overall, ACT-Delco silver parts provide solid, no-frills performance for drivers who want reliable replacement components without paying a premium, offering peace of mind, value, and trusted engineering in one smart package. Now number 4, APEC battery. This upgraded car battery insulation sleeve stands out with its thick and premium elastic insulation, measuring 30 thicker than many standard options for superior heat retention. It performs exceptionally well in extreme cold, helping ensure reliable battery starts when temperatures drop. Designed for true all-season protection, the sleeve maintains optimal battery temperature by preventing winter freezing and reducing summer overheating, which can significantly extend battery life. Built from durable, high-quality materials, it resists harsh weather, moisture, and corrosion, offering dependable long-term protection in challenging environments. The one-piece design makes installation quick and effortless, no tools required, and setup takes just minutes. Its universal 40-inch by 7-inch size fits most vehicle batteries, making it a practical choice for a wide range of cars. Overall, this insulation kit delivers excellent durability, convenience, and year-round performance for drivers who want to protect their battery investment. And our last choice is Motorcraft battery. The Motorcraft battery BAGM 94RH7800 delivers reliable, heavy-duty performance tailored for today's demanding vehicle electrical systems. Engineered with quality and durability in mind, this battery provides robust starting power and consistent energy to support both conventional and advanced stop-start applications. Its design ensures dependable operation across a wide range of temperatures and driving conditions, giving drivers confidence whether in cold starts or extended idling. Built to meet Motorcraft's stringent standards, the BAGM 94RH 7800 offers long service life and resistance to vibration and corrosion, helping reduce the likelihood of premature failure. Easy to install and backed by Motorcraft's reputation for aftermarket excellence, it's a strong choice for owners of Ford and other compatible vehicles looking for a maintenance-free battery solution. Overall, this model balances power, reliability, and durability, making it a practical investment for drivers seeking consistent performance and peace of mind on the road. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.